Okay, so taas ang kamay ng mga nabudol sa 11/11 biggest Christmas sale sa Shopee. Dahil sobrang mura niya lang, pero at the same time, sobrang daming kulay na pwede niyang i-offer sa'yo. And may kapare yung packaging niya. I just forgot kung ano. Pero kung gusto mo pa rin i-conceal yung mga dark spots, yung mga dark under eye, or yung mga sa lahat ng products na meron ako dito. Sa product na ito ako pinaka na-excite. And so ayan, what is up you guys? It's your girl Meiya. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, we will be doing another Shopee haul. Ayun na nga, since 11/11 has finally commenced and marami na naman sa atin ang nabudol ni Shopee. So ito, medyo madami-dami itong i-haul natin for today's video. Meron tayo ditong mga skincare products, merong mga makeup, and meron din tayong for beauty care. All of which are of affordable prices lang. That's why I will be sharing this one to you if ever may hinahanap kayo na same nitong mga items na ito. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. So ayan, na-fix ko na ang aking hair, and unahin na natin itong mga makeup products na nandito. Our first item is we have here the Makeup Studio 39 Colors Eyeshadow Palette. So ayan siya. Ganyan siya kaliit. And tada! So this one I got as a gift from Miguel, and nabili na to from Shopee for the price of 139 pesos. So eto yung mga colors. So one thing I like about this product is that merong mga shades dito na pwede natin gamitin as a contour like this and this one. Merong mga shades dito na pwede natin gamitin as blush like this and this one. And meron ding mga parts dito na pwede natin gamitin as a highlighter like this, this, and this. And of course, as an eyeshadow. So, ayan. Para siyang multi-purpose na palette if you guys can try to consider the usage of the shades. So, if you're a beginner in makeup and gusto mong maka-avail ng palette na maraming kulay pero at the same time affordable lang, then I will really recommend this one, the Makeup Studio 39 Colors Eyeshadow Palette. Dahil sobrang mura niya lang pero at the same time, sobrang daming kulay na pwede niyang i-offer sa'yo, and pwede mo pang gamitin as contour, highlighter, blush, and eyeshadow. So for our second item is we have here the Careline Oil Control Liquid Makeup in the shade Soft Bisque. So this one is pwede mo siyang gamitin as an alternative for foundation. If wala ka pang foundation, you can use this item. So meron itong sheer to medium coverage, and yung consistency niya is liquid, as you guys can see from its name, diba? Liquid makeup. So this one I bought for 125 pesos sa Watsons. So if you guys don't know, Watsons actually have a store din sa Shopee, so you can go check them out. So one thing I like about this product is that hindi siya masyadong heavy sa face. So pwede siya sa mga everyday makeup looks and mga soft glam makeup looks. Kung hindi ka naman mahilig dun sa mga super kapal na foundation or super heavy na foundation, or nagclog yung pores mo whenever you use foundation, so I will recommend this one for you. It is again the Careline Oil Control Liquid Makeup for 125 pesos. So our next item is, ito talaga, masasabi kong good find talaga siya for someone na nagtitipid because it is in a form of a sachet. So it's the Maxipeel Concealing Cream. Ayan, so kung hindi mo afford yung mga mahal na concealers, pero gusto mo pa rin i-conceal yung mga dark spots, yung mga maitim na under eye natin, dark circles natin dyan sa mata, so you can use this item. This is again the Maxipeel Concealing Cream in the shade Fair. Paubos na yung isa kasi super gusto ko siyang ginagamit kasi it really does the job. And one thing I like about this product is that it's super mura best because you can buy one of this for 22 pesos only. And one thing I also like about this product is hindi lang kasi siya concealing cream. You can also use this one as a makeup base. Our next item naman is isa sa mga pinaka-holy grail nating mga babae, which is the powder or the pressed powder. So this one is in the brand Meiya. So one thing I like about this, it's really cute. Alam mo, parang laruan. And then when you open it, you have here the mirror. Ayan, meron siyang mirror actually. And then you also have here the applicator and yung mismong pressed powder. So one thing that's really considerable about this product is that it really does the job, especially if merong mga oily parts sa face mo and you're going to put the product on your face, so it really does the job na ma-mattify niya, and at the same time nawawala yung oiliness. And by the way, this one is just 70 pesos lang siya sa Shopee, so yeah, it's a good find. For our next item naman, hindi ko alam pero sa lahat ng item na meron ako dito, sa product na to ako pinaka na-excite. So it is the Naked 3 Eyelashes Urban Decay. So obviously it's replicated. Ayan, and nung dumating siya is okay naman yung packaging, kaya lang nasira ko siya. Pero let's not focus on the packaging na lang muna and let's focus on the product itself. So when you open it, tada! Ayan, meron tayo ditong 10 pairs of lashes, magkakaiba ng volume, magkakaiba ng length, and magkakaiba ng design. So, mukha lang siyang magkakapareho sa malayo. Pero, magkakaiba siya when you take a good look of this product. And actually, 10 pairs ito. Ayan, meron pa siya sa likod. Ayan. So, the reason why I got so excited with this product is that nahihilig na din kasi ako sa pagme-makeup. Ayan, kaka-binge watch ko ng mga videos ni Michelle D. One thing I like is that for a very affordable price kasi you get 10 pairs na of fake lashes. And this one is actually, nabili ko yung whole set. Ganyan. Nabili ko for 120 pesos lang siya sa Shopee. So, maganda siya because it's 10 pairs kasi, so pwede mong pag-practicean and magkakaiba pa siya ng volume and magkakaiba ng length. So, pwede mong makakapili ka whenever you try to achieve some makeup looks. So, ayan siya. And one thing I like about this is super gaan lang niya. Kasi tinry ko yung isa kanina and super gaan lang niya talaga. Hindi siya yung parang mahirap isuot and hindi rin siya yung parang mabigat sa mata. So, that's a plus for me. So, ayan. Ay! And syempre, kung meron tayong lashes, dapat meron din tayong adhesive. So, this one is actually the Nichido Eyelash Adhesive. Ayan. So, maliit siya at first sight. Talagang parang, ano ba yan? Ang liit naman. Pero, one thing I like about this product kasi is whenever you apply it sa lashes, kahit konting amount lang ng product yung ilagay mo, it really does the job. Dumidikit talaga siya and madali siyang mag-dry. So, this one, by the way, is nabili ko siya sa Watson sa Shopee for 60 pesos. So, our next product here is another product from Nichido. So, it is the Nichido Liquid Eyeliner 4 ml. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung packaging niya. Black and merong mga details. And then, meron din siyang applicator, of course. Ayan. So, this one I bought for 58 pesos. And meron pang mas malaki nito. Kaya lang, by the time that I was purchasing the item, wala sila nung malaki. Kaya eto na lang yung binili ko. Yung maliit na version, which is the 4 ml. This is really one of the holy grails of every woman because it really, you know, highlights your eyes. It makes your eyes look more precise, gives more emphasis to the beauty of your eyes. And unlike any other eyeliner, one thing I like about this one is that yung applicator niya is hindi malaki. Super slim o super liit lang ng applicator niya, which makes it easier for you to apply it in your eyes. And it's easier for you to achieve mga foxy eye, mga winged eyeliner. Alam niyo yung mga ganong mga makeup stuff. And yeah. So this one I will recommend, of course. It's from Nichido. So, the next item that we have here is the Meiya Volumizing Mascara. Ayan, may kapare yung packaging niya. I just forgot kung ano. Pero, so, ayan siya. Ganun lang din. As usual, yung pinaka-common na applicator ng mga mascara. So, this one is, by the way, 10 ml lang siya. And, hindi siya lengthening, pero volumizing naman siya, and it does the job naman in volumizing your lashes, especially for people like me na malipis lang yung lashes. And nabili ko siya for 60 pesos lang sa Shopee. Yeah. So next in line is the Me Now Concealer Eyebrow Pencil. Ayan, so on the other end of your pencil is you get the eyebrow pencil, which is black siya. And on the other hand naman is you get the concealer pencil, okay? So this one goes hand in hand whenever you do your eyebrows because, you know, it's not all the time na madala tayong concealer. So this one's really nice. I bought this one for 20 pesos each. The next product naman is still an eye product, and this is the VIP Eyebrow Pencil. So ayan siya. Ayan, shorter siya sa Minaw. Pero one thing I like about this is it has its own brush, you know, for the brows. So, ayan siya, and its color is brown. And one thing I like about this is, though it's short, hindi naman mabilis alam niyo, maubos yung product kasi kahit konti lang ilagay mo, Meron naman siyang pigment kaagad, and yun na nga, one thing I like is that it has a brush. Surprisingly, it's just 10 pesos each from Shopee. So our next item is an eyelash curler. So wala siyang brand nung binili ko siya, and nabili ko lang siya for 35 pesos. But all in all, it does the job naman din naman. It curls the lashes, and hindi naman siya mahirap gamitin. So yeah, wala siyang brand. It's an eyelash curler lang for 35 pesos. So let us now move to the hygiene products slash skincare products na meron tayo dito. So first in line is the Maxipeel Facial Cleanser Pore Refining. So ayan siya. So nagamit ko na to ng konti, and one thing I like about this is that may nafe-feel ka talagang nangyayari sa face mo whenever you use the product. Hindi siya masyadong plain lang. And this one is actually, ilang ml ba to? 75 ml. And nabili ko siya for 30 pesos lang. And the product says here that it is deep cleansing, anti-acne, smoothening, lightening, and vitamin enriched. So you get those benefits from this 75 ml Maxipeel Facial Cleanser. And again, this one is just 30 pesos lang. So if you're someone naman na hindi kakasa sa mga facial cleansers na merong alcohol content like this one, meron ka namang options to try micellar water such as the Garnier micellar water. So one thing I like about this one is that hindi siya harsh sa face because again, wala siyang alcohol content, and para ka lang nag-a-apply ng tubig, but at the same time, meron siyang yung parang soothing effect din. Parang nag-a-apply ka rin ng soothing gel. So this one actually is, pwede mo siyang gamitin as a cleanser, as a moisturizer, and pwede din siya as a makeup remover. So it's a 3-in-1 micellar water from Garnier, and it is 400 ml, which is equivalent to 200 uses. And this one, by the way, is 199 pesos siya sa Watsons. For someone like me na tamad sa yung mga 10-step skincare makeup and walang budget for that, so this one is like my holy grail. Kasi wala lang, before I sleep, after washing my face, I apply this one, and yun na yung skincare ko. After mo ding maghilamos, after you cleanse your face, you can also apply the Luxxe Organic Soothing Gel Sachet. So this one is nabili ko for 99 pesos, and one thing I like about this one is yung gel consistency niya. Whenever you apply it, it's nagiging liquid. And hindi siya malapot sa face, hindi siya yung parang greasy. It's really nice because it smoothens your face, yung parang nakaka-relax siya. And by the way, hindi lang pala siya as a moisturizing, pwede din pala siya for hair treatment for dry hair, pwede din siyang aftershave gel, nail care essence, and it soothes sunburns. Meron pala siyang maraming benefits, so it's worth the purchase. Again, this one is 99 pesos. Ayan. The next skincare product is the Iwhite Korea Nose Pack Whiteheads and Blackheads Remover. So this one I bought for 199 pesos, and it is already 50 ml. So this one is ang ginagamit ko to remove mga blackheads and whiteheads sa aking nose and around the nose area, and minsan din is ginagamit ko siya dito and sa aking forehead. So that is all for our Shopee haul. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. Bye!